Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the brightness of your display on MSI Cyborg 15. And to do it, you can do it in two different methods, either going to this control center button which you have right here and adjusting the brightness with the bar, or you can also do it using the keyboard. On the keyboard, you'll notice two keys, the F9 and F10, and they both are for either turning the brightness down or turning the brightness up. If you click on them and they don't do anything, that means that you have FN lock disabled. You can see on the escape key, my key is actually lighting up, which means that I can click on these keys alone in order to turn the brightness down or turn it up. But if in your case the escape key isn't lighting up, then in order to use the F9 or F10 key to change the brightness, you'll need to combine them with FN key, which is right here. So now as I press on these keys together, it actually doesn't do anything because I have escape lock enabled. I mean FN lock enabled. But if you have it disabled, then it should work. But also you can simply just enable or disable the FN lock by clicking on FN key, which I've just shown you, and the escape key. Now if it's not lighting up, I'll need to use FN and F9 to turn the brightness down, and if I click on it again, the FN and escape, now I can click on F9 or F10 alone and it'll result in changing the brightness. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.